Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the most insane, most futuristic, and most luxurious rides on the planet. The moment you walk inside, the living room immediately tells you this isn't an ordinary motorhome. Plush leather seating wraps around the space, giving you both comfort and elegance. Panoramic glass windows stretch across the walls so you can soak in breathtaking views wherever you're parked. With one touch, a massive entertainment system rises from hidden panels, turning the lounge into your personal cinema. Ambient LED lighting glows around the room, customizable in color and brightness, creating the exact mood you want, from cozy evenings to party nights. It's like stepping into a penthouse that just happens to have wheels. Move forward into the kitchen, and you'll find one of the most surprising areas of this masterpiece. Luxury isn't just about looks. It's about practicality, and this kitchen delivers. A chef-inspired layout includes sleek stone countertops, an induction cooktop, a smart oven, and a built-in refrigerator that practically blends into the design. There's even a wine chiller for those who enjoy traveling with a touch of class. Cooking inside this motorhome feels more like preparing meals in a modern apartment rather than on the road. Then we enter the bedroom, and this is where the 2026 Luxury Motorhome really feels like a five-star suite. A king-size memory foam bed dominates the space. Designed for total comfort whether you're parked in the wilderness or by the ocean, overhead skylights give you clear stargazing views at night, while soft ambient lighting and elegant finishes wrap the room in relaxation. Hidden storage keeps the space clean and minimal, making it the perfect retreat after a long day of exploring. The bathroom takes things to a whole new level. Forget cramped and basic RV bathrooms. This one is a spa on wheels. A rainfall shower with marble-inspired finishes, high-end fixtures, and even heated floors make every moment luxurious. It feels like stepping into a hotel suite bathroom, not something you'd expect inside a motorhome. And of course, the technology makes it futuristic. Everything inside is smart, from the lighting and climate control to the blinds and entertainment systems, all voice-activated or controlled by touch. Solar panels on the roof keep it eco-friendly, and advanced systems ensure comfort in every climate. This is not just travel. This is freedom combined with luxury, a chance to live anywhere while never giving up comfort. The 2026 Luxury Motorhome truly redefines what it means to hit the road. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate rolling mansion, or the dream lifestyle of the future? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Auto Plus for more mind-blowing luxury machines.